following is brought to you by Cal Spas, the home resort experience.
Today, we bring you what happens when you flip off a judge. This is Liliana, and you're watching W3VA Daily. For today's What's Trending news, here's a clip of teenager Penelope Zotto giving the judge the bird.
Bye-bye.
Adios.
Come back, ma'am. Come back. Come back. Give me the paper again. Count one will be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios. Come back again. Come back again. Bring her back again.
What's up?
I believe I heard you saying to...
Yes, I did. I'm not going to the...
I believe you... Did you say...
Actually, I
Did you say that?
Yes, sir, I did.
Oh, you did say that?
I'm not
I find you in
gonna lie.
direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.
Mr. Judge Man, I am a great magician. Look, I can make a bird appear out of nowhere. See? Adios. What? 30 days in jail. 30 days. Today is National Sea Monkey Day. In honor of this primate holiday, nominate your favorite monkeying around videos on W3VA. Watch today's What's Trending video on W3VA today. Don't forget to vote for your favorite courtroom fail videos. Remember, the more you vote, the greater your chances are of winning fabuloso prizes. Adios.